On behalf of Omunkoto Nneke community, we are saying a very big thank you. We are grateful for this pad the Rebecca Rubikile Foundation have given to us. It's our first time and we learned a lot today. We hope that they will come again and teach young girls skills acquisition. Thank you.
Breaking the silence, breaking the stigma. The Rebecca Ibikule Foundation visited Umukoto community in Imo State, Nigeria to empower young girls with knowledge on menstrual hygiene, understanding their bodies, managing their periods with confidence. The Rebecca Ibikule Foundation taught these young girls the importance of menstrual hygiene, how to use sanitary pads, and maintain personal cleanliness. We demonstrated how to wear pads correctly, change them regularly, and dispose them hygienically. Additionally, we emphasize the value of abstinence and responsible behavior, empowering them to make informed choices about their health and well-being. Our team shared personal stories, and the girls actively participated in discussion, asking questions and sharing concerns. No more shame, no more fear. Menstruation is a natural part of life, and every girl deserves to manage it with dignity and confidence. We believe by breaking down stigmas and myths, we can empower girls to take control of their health, education, and future. The Rebecca Ibikule Foundation's mission is to ensure every girl manages her menstrual hygiene with dignity and confidence. We've seen girls transform from being shy, uncertain, to confident and self-assured. Join us in empowering and enriching their lives together. Together, we can create a bright future where every girl can thrive. The Rebecca Ibikule Foundation, small kindness, big impact.